Well, if you have a business in the evacuation zone, you should close up shop and evacuate along with everyone else. Please take necessary precautions, including turning off propane tanks, gas, and electrical utilities at the main switches. Now, New York City doesn't have a lot of real-life experience with hurricanes. We've watched them from afar, and they've ravaged other parts of the nation. And thank God we've never really experienced that kind of destruction here, but that does not mean that it can't happen. It can, and we must be prepared, and that's exactly why we developed our coastal storm plan back in 2006 to prevent the kind of problems that we saw during Katrina. So please heed these warnings and get yourself to safety before the bad weather hits. As I mentioned earlier, the MTA will be shutting down the public transportation system at noon. What that means is the last train leaves the station, but you can't count on being on the last train. It may be overloaded, or maybe it's already passed you. You should assume after noon that there is no mass transit. Staten Island ferry service will be suspended as of 10 p.m. tonight or earlier if the winds come earlier. City bridges may close if high winds make driving across them dangerous, and the TBTA and Port Authority bridges, which tend to be the bigger, higher bridges, may close even earlier. The beaches are closed for the weekend, as will all cultural institutions, and once the storm hits, it is just not safe to be in the parks either. The risk of falling tree limbs is serious, and people can get killed there. And for the surfers, we all know that it's a lot of fun to catch a big wave. This storm is dangerous, and we just don't have the resources. We don't want to put our first responders' lives in jeopardy to try to save you. During the storm, please stay off the streets and sidewalks to prevent injury, and stay away from the windows. If you live on the 10th floor of a high-rise or above that, the risk of window damage is greater, so be smart to stay away from the windows or go to a lower floor. If the low-lying areas of our city begin to flood, I mentioned that Con Ed may have to shut down their power lines. NYCHA buildings will be shutting down their elevators, as will other buildings. And if you're using generated power, please do not have a generator inside your house or your apartment. Carbon monoxide fumes kill. In terms of our city buildings, all construction has been stopped. Our inspectors are working to make sure the construction sites are locked down. Homeowners and residents, if you haven't done so already, please bring outdoor furniture inside, plywood, trash cans, any loose items that can blow around. So in conclusion, if you live in the low-lying areas, A areas, or in the Rockaways, you have to leave, and you should start right now. Do not delay. Do not wait for the weather to be bad. It's starting to rain here in Coney Island right now. This is just the beginning. You say it's a few drops. This is going to be a very serious storm. No matter what the track is, no matter how much it weakens, this is a life-threatening storm to people here.